Hey guys, for this tutorial I'm going to be explaining how you can create groups and manage groups and also add contacts to those groups so that you can send SMS to a particular group of numbers that you have on our database. So once you first register as a client on BetaSMS, you automatically get a database that you can start putting your numbers. So for this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can start using the database and how you can upload a group from a group that exists on our database into the SMSing interface and send messages to that group. So to start, we're going to need to log in, and once we are here we go to our address book. Notice that you need to manage groups before you can start managing contacts, because when you're creating a contact you need to specify a group that contact belongs to. So we need to manage groups first. I already have a group here that I was using for a test, so to see how some stuff work, and I just going to delete it now and redo it again and make one that we both can use. So in this page, make sure that when you log in you navigate to this page. If you're not brought to this page, you come here and click on manage groups. So once you're in this page, you can just leave this as new group like this and select the new group you want. We're going to put back multipurpose. It can be anything you want, just give it the name that you want. This name is now going to be used to identify a particular set of numbers that you want to create, that you have. It could be maybe church members. Then inside this church members group you can put all the numbers of your church members inside. So we're going to click save here. Once we're done, we get an alert saying that do you want to save changes to the database. We say okay, and you will get this saying a group was successfully added. Okay, so once we have a group, we can come here and be sure that we have a new group. We're going to click here and say that we have multipurpose and it can be selected from this group. If you want to edit it, you can delete it if you want, but we want to actually add numbers to this group. Like I said, I was working with this with the interface previously to test how some things worked, and I inputted this number, and now I'm just going to redo it so that you can see how it works as well. So we can see that we actually deleted one contact now, and in our database we can see that it is empty. We don't have anything inside. So what we want to do now is to add a contact to our database and specify a group that contact will belong to. So once you click on add new contact, we get this. Then we just come here and click multipurpose, because we want to have the contact to multipurpose. First name we're going to give it as multi. Last name we're going to put as man. Mobile number, we're going to use my mobile number for that, and say okay to this and click save and click OK. So once we're done, we should get an alert that says our database was modified successfully. We can click OK and come and scroll down. We can see that we have first name is multi, last name man, the mobile number like we specified, the group this person belongs to is multipurpose. We can see that we have filters here. We can search in case if you have so many numbers and it's a little bit blurry, a little bit too cumbersome to scroll and trying to see the information. You can just come and search here, and you can also filter by selecting groups. So once you select a group and you filter that, we can see that it will only display the numbers from the group that we selected. So if we want to add more numbers, we can come here and add more numbers from here and select any group we want. Assuming we want to put it in another group, then we're going to have to first manage groups. Then we'll come back here and manage contacts, which will bring you back to this page. But since we're already in this page and we already have a group, we can just come and click this multipurpose group and put our number, the person's information and their mobile number. But for these tutorials, I'll be using just one information, so that just to show you how the managing of group works and how you can send SMS to a group. So since we have just a single number in this group, I'm going to dive straight into messaging because I want to send SMS to this number, and click on send SMS. So once we get to this page, scroll down a little bit and you will see that there's actually choice of sending SMS to a group. So we're going to select the kind of group we want, which is we're going to leave it as contact group. We're sending to a contact group because we created a contact group here. So we're going to scroll down and select our recipient to be the multipurpose that we created, which is a group that has just one number in it. If you want, we can add more numbers, but for this tutorial, like I said, we'll be putting just a single number, which is my mobile number. So the sender is just sender ID. We're going to use Multima like I've been using, and the message we're sending here. So once we have this, we can just proceed and click send. Don't check this box because we don't want to deliver the message in the future. So make sure that you have credit in your balance, and scroll down and click on send. We get this message and we just click OK. So once the message has been sent, we get an alert saying that one SMS was sent at the rate of 185 kobo. So we can click OK to that, and that is that for this tutorial. I'll be making more videos. You can stay tuned for that.